Hello everyone, here's your directions for your Manifest Destiny flipbook. You are going to be creating a flipbook like we've done before over 4 regions in westward expansion: Louisiana, Texas, Oregon, and then California and Southwest. For each of these are very old ones and you should not have them look exactly. On the cover you will see we need the name of the place, so you'd write out Louisiana. You need a color picture that somehow connects to the how and the why of that region. So on the cover of each, it'll be the word or the region, a color picture, and then the year it was acquired. Boom, 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 done. You will then, on this lip, and I'll show you how to do it, you'll write Manifest Destiny, and then you'll define it. That's already been done in your unit guide. In the interior of the flipbook, now this is not one completed well or small, small, and it's old, so we didn't do nearly as much as we're doing now. On the inside cover, you're going to explain how we got that region and why we got that region. So how did we get Louisiana, the specifics, the facts, the details, and why? How did we get Texas? Why specifically? How, what? You get the general idea. Then it'll be how and why on the top here, and then on the bottom section, you will explain 2 positives, and I do mean explain, not just list, but explain 2 positives and 2 negatives of us getting Louisiana. 2 positives and 2 negatives specifically for Texas, and you will explain them in great detail. So the cover is, a little bit of color, nothing that should take long at all. The year you're going to see from when we're covering things, and the wording is not complicated. Manifest Destiny already done. By the end of the first day, you should have all of Louisiana done because it's within your checkpoint. You've already done it numerous times. So you should walk out of class today with everything done on this, besides maybe like coloring a picture, which you can do real easily. Everything else, you will get the how and why in class. So the only thing that you're going to have to do outside of class is a little bit of coloring and then the positives and negatives for 3 regions. This should be 100% for everybody. How do you do the actual activity? Or how do you make the flipbook? So you're going to have this kind of paper and you're straight up just going to fold it. This is hard to do while holding up. Fold it over, leaving just enough room for you to write that whole Manifest Destiny thing. Then you'll fold it. So see how we got the flip, and we've got this little lip area for you to put Manifest Destiny. Then, very simply, let's see if I can do this all with one hand. Fold it in half once. Now yours is hopefully going to look better than mine. Fold it in half again. And then when you unfold it, you've got your 4 sections. You can cut them if you want, but you've got your 4 sections where you have your pictures. And then you've got your how, why, how, why, how, why, how, why, and then the positives and negatives. And it looks exactly like down there. So that should be pretty easy to follow. If not, you'll ask for help. Remember, these examples are older examples, so anything that I put up on the board, I wouldn't follow through it is exactly how I should do it. But because these still go how and why, like on each top bottom here, remember the top is the how and the why, and we've now added the positives and negatives explained. So you should be able to get Louisiana done today, and that should make life pretty straightforward. If for some reason you are completely and utterly confused, you can at least write this information down on a sheet of paper and then I guess get help from somebody or ask me during Flex on Monday if I'm available. Or you just come down during lunch. It's pretty straightforward. You shouldn't have an issue. Hopefully that works. Enjoy creating your Manifest Destiny flipbook.